And DD India correspondent Shweta Singh joins us live from Kathmandu, Nepal. Shweta, what is the latest from the counting of votes in Nepal? Is Rashtriya Swatantra Party maintaining its lead?
Yes, Shubhendu, you see, till now it's like more in 60 constituencies, RSP is leading, and there is huge crowd of onlookers at every gate of counting stations here. So people are really waiting for the evening when the final results will be out and they will know who has got the clear winning. So till now it appears that RSP is leading because Nepali Congress has been leading in 9 constituencies, UMML in 4 and NCP in 3. So you see it's mostly like seeing the present status, it's RSP that is making good scores.
Shweta, if you can also put in context the significance of these elections, Nepal appears to be at a crossroads with the new political generation taking on the establishment.
Yes, Shubhendu, you see, this election is really historic because after the so many decades of old leaders that held the fort, that they were leading Nepal, now young generation wanted a change, policies for themselves. So I suppose this election is going to reflect the aspiration of these young people, these Gen Z youth who really sacrificed their life during September 8 and 9. They really turned up in huge number for voting this time. Not only youth, Gen Z, but it was even old people when we were seeing all the polling stations. It was old people and so huge line of women that were queuing. It was like at least in one queue there were 60-70 women in straight line that they were voting in every polling station here. So you see, voter turnout was 60. It's really good because Nepal is really dependent on remittance and huge number of Nepali people are abroad, and many turned out just to vote here for March 5 election. So many people whom I met had returned from USA and Europe to vote here in Nepal. So that was a massive step that Nepali people had taken to support democracy here in Nepal.
There, Shweta, appreciate you joining us with those updates from Kathmandu, Nepal.